Got a minute? Let's make this. Stir it all up and devour. That's about all there is to this rich, creamy, cheesy, easy crock-pot mac and cheese. Here's what you'll need. Macaroni, elbow or something new like this pipette, little pipes that have a larger hole to absorb more of the cheesy sauce. So grab your crock pot and let's get dinner started. First in, 2 eggs and a half a stick of butter. Next, a can of evaporated milk, a cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. For the cheeses, some hard cheeses like 4 or 5 ounces of Fontina or Gruyere, a half a block of cream cheese, and 4 cups of cheddar. For a smooth, rich sauce, you can add a can of creamy chicken soup. And for added flavor, a half a teaspoon each of garlic powder and dry mustard. Add the pasta, give it a stir, cover, and cook. For a variety, I added cooked meatballs halfway through the cooking process. And when done, lip smacking mac and cheese, slow cooked comfort. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.